Hello everyone, welcome to my channel One Concept WE. This is one of the DC machine question. Let's solve this question. Here it is an 220 volts DC generator with a terminal voltage of 220 volts. It given armature resistance of 0.25 ohm and series field resistance of 0.15 ohm and shunt field resistance of 50 ohm. Here it is connected to a load of 100 lamps, each rated for 60 watts and a terminal voltage of 220 volts. They are asking to find total EMF, total generated EMF and armature current when it is connected to short shunt connection as well as long shunt connection. Let's summarize the data. Here they given the terminal voltage of 220 volts and series resistance, shunt resistance and armature resistance. Here they given it is connected to a load of 100 lamps, each lamp of 60 watt rating. Like total load will be 6000 watts. By this I am finding the load current. Now in the case 1 I am going for short shunt connection. This is a short shunt connection. Here it is given load current of 27.27 amps. Now by doing simple KVL, I am finding armature terminal voltage. By doing simple KVL, I found armature terminal voltage of 224.09 volts. We already know the current through shunt field is ISH equal to VA by RSH. By this, I found ISH equal to 4.481 amps. Now, by doing simple KVL in this particular node, IA equal to IL plus ISH. By this, I found IA equal to 31.751 amps. Here, I am doing simple KVL in this particular loop. Here, IA equal to VT plus IL into RSC. This is RSC. This is RA. I induced EMF IA equal to VT plus IL into RSC plus IARA. By substituting the above values, I am getting an induced EMF of 232.028 volts. If you go for long shunt connection, the current to shunt field is ISH equal to VT by RSH. It will be 4.4 amps. By this, IA equal to means the current through armature field IA equal to IL plus ISH. The armature current is 31.67 amps. Here I am doing simple KVL in this particular loop, right? In this particular loop, IA equal to VT plus IA into RA plus RSC. By this, I got an induced EMF of 232.67 volts. Let's summarize the data. In the short shunt connection, I get an armature induced EMF of 232.02 volts. Armature current of 31.751 amps. Similarly, for long shunt connection, I get an armature induced EMF of 232.67 volts. An armature current of 31.67.